Okay, so I've got my Field Roast Meat and Cheese Company's Italian garlic and fennel plant-based sausage. I just finished frying it. I'm going to put it into this bun. Ooh, look at that. It smells good. Alright. So, we'll come and sit over here. And you guys can drool while I eat. Ha 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 ha. So this is the third time that I've tried that brand. And I have to say so far that compared to the other brands that I've tried in the past for sausages, because these guys do not skimp on the spices, they're the best. It is dry, but what do you expect from frying? The other thing, if you notice, you can kind of see right here. You can see how it's kind of rough there. That's because this is a skinless sausage. It does come in those plastic tubes, and once you get it started, it's easy to rip it and get it off of the sausage, but at first it's quite difficult to do that. So it is a bit of a challenge getting that started, but otherwise, this is tasty. I can taste a nice variety of spices in this, which makes it quite enjoyable. Now I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup and see how that goes with it. And we use this brand by Simply Nature. It's organic. Aside from the dryness, it's very enjoyable. But it's not a big deal for me because I can just take a bite and swallow some water, or drink some water. That moistens it for me and makes it quite nice. So thumbs up for this. So thank you, Field Roast Meat and Cheese Company. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but I do enjoy these sausages. And it does say peel casing before cooking. Clip one end of sausage with scissors. Cut down the length of the sausage halfway and remove plastic casing. I only had to cut down maybe about less than maybe an inch, and I was able to get it off at that point. Grill on outdoor grill, brown in saute pan with a little oil using medium heat, or break up sausage with fingers to use in sauces, stir fries, and scrambles. Avoid overheating. It does not tell you how long you should cook it overall, and that may be part of the reason why it's dry. I don't see that it says that it's pre-cooked. It says it's crafted with eggplant, onions, and sweet peppers. As far as nutrition, 220 calories per sausage, which is 92 grams. 8 of those grams are fat, of which half a gram is saturated. There are no trans fats. The sausage has no cholesterol. It does have a whopping 600 milligrams of sodium, The total carbohydrates are 13 grams, of which none of them are dietary. There are total of 2 grams of sugar, which are not added sugars, and there's 25 grams of protein in a sausage. Plus, in addition, you get there's no vitamin D. There's 50 milligrams of calcium, 1.7 milligrams of iron, and 211 grams of potassium. So if you don't like bananas, I suppose you can eat these. Now, they did print the ingredients, but it's a dark blue, an attractive blue, but reading the black on the blue makes it really difficult for me because my eyes aren't so great, so I'm going to forego that. As with all highly processed foods, just because it's plant-based doesn't automatically mean that it's better for you. So, you take that into consideration. Ultimately, if you're trying to avoid eating meat, these are nice to settle your cravings, but they're not going to be something that perhaps I'm not talking about this brand as specific. I'm talking about in general. That you would want to eat on a regular basis, just because you don't know how it might adversely affect your health. But again, my son says he wants to read the ingredients to you, so here you go.
Ingredients: filtered water, vital wheat gluten, expeller pressed safflower oil, eggplant, onions, wheat protein isolate, wheat gluten trisodium phosphate, malic acid, cysteine, yeast extract, yeast, salt, cane sugar, garlic, barley, malt extract, onion powder, dried bell peppers, red cooking wine, red wine, water, salt, fennel seed, dehydrated garlic, sea salt, spices. Contains wheat.
So, there you have it. Field roast. I've tried 3 different recipes of yours. I liked them all. Well done. Thank you.